What's up, YouTube? It's Timothy, and today in this video, before I get the video started, I got some comments from two users called Thomasaurus Rex and Landowing. Thomasaurus Rex says, "Hey Timothy, you should try deep fried Twinkies, any flavored." So I picked the original. And Landowing said you should do a review on jelly donut Oreos. And if y'all are, and Thomasaurus Rex and Landowing, if y'all are watching this, I have y'all's stuff. And Thomas, since you're the first one to request in my comments, I'm doing yours first. So, let's get this started. Not that bad. I might buy these more often. Second one. Third one. And the fourth one. Oh man. They had one job. Look at this. That's just the cake, but look at it. All the other cake they had was filled with a lot of cream. This is just cake with a little bit of cream. They had one job. But the last one was still good. So, the cake was really good. Tastes like an actual Twinkie, warmed up. Like, first time I heard about deep fried Twinkies, I thought it was going to be like crunchy. No, it was just like an actual Twinkie, but all warm. Yeah, but I cooked in the microwave, in the oven. So yeah. I'm going to pause the camera, and then I'm going to go find my Coca-Cola for the outro. Alright guys, I'm back. I got the Coca-Cola, so I hope you enjoyed this, and enjoy Coca-Cola! Woo-hoo! Bye guys, see y'all in the next video. And another thing, Heather Dowling, if you're watching this, I got your comment on the Transformer slushies. My mom says that they're gonna be half priced around 8, so so just look for the video to come out around a little after 8. And for real now. Bye guys, see y'all in the next video, which is right after this one.